Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Roth IRA with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fidelity account on their website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page. Click on Retirement Accounts from the drop-down menu. Locate your Roth IRA account in the list displayed on the screen. Select your Roth IRA account to open it. On the account page, look for the Transfers option in the menu. Click on Transfers to initiate the backup process. Select Move Money to begin the transfer. Choose the option to transfer funds to a different account. You can either choose to transfer to another Roth IRA, a different type of account, or a bank account. If you select another Roth IRA, ensure you have the receiving account details handy. Fill in the required information for the transfer, such as the amount and destination account. Review the information you entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click Continue to move to the next step. Fidelity may prompt you to verify your identity through a security question or code. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. After verification, review the transfer summary carefully. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Submit to finalize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is complete. You can check the status of your transfer in your Fidelity account under Account Activity. For any questions or issues, consider reaching out to Fidelity's. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.